Good evening, Paula. James Irving here from Bhutan and Beyond. It is now Feb 14th, so happy Valentine's Day to all. I wanted just to talk briefly about the newly restored Trans Bhutan Trail. Very exciting. In conjunction with some experts from Canada, the ancient trail that connected the valleys and passes of Bhutan before they had their first road through the kingdom, has been fully restored. The government of Bhutan and the king will announce this officially next month in March, and it's rumoured to be one of the great walks of the world. So it's 250 miles or 403 kilometres long. It starts in Har in western Bhutan and goes right through to Trashigang in eastern Bhutan. You'll go over some high passes. You can of course hike the whole thing. It takes about 28 days plus if you wanted to do that. More importantly, it's easy to include a section or two into a regular cultural itinerary tour. So for example, you might factor in a couple of half-day hikes on parts of the trail that fit in with where you're travelling in the kingdom. Alternatively, you might prefer to link 2 or 3 sections together, in which case you might find yourself overnighting in tented campsite accommodation. The other options are homestay or farm stay accommodation in local villages. That's possible on some parts of the trail, and other parts of course you can head back to a normal 3-star or luxury hotel depending on your budget. So we're extremely excited about the TBT, as we're calling it, but one thing I do want to make clear is any Bhutanese inbound tour operator can book this trail as part of a Bhutan journey. It's in no way exclusive to any one operator from any one country, as it seems to purport on their official website. So have no fear. Here at Bhutan and Beyond, we think the TBT is going to be an extremely exciting future product, and we'll be firmly supporting it and pushing options for all of our clients to travel on part of it. It can actually even be undertaken by mountain bike. So it's a great new asset for Bhutan, and one we think will have great appeal in future years. So thanks for listening. Tashi talo to you all. Talk again soon. Bye now.